Sometimes God has to let everything fall apart just so you'll see what He's been trying to build for you all along, love. This season, He's not punishing you. He's positioning you, not for the same love that broke you, but for the one that will finally see you. The truth is, what you thought was love was really just attachment. You fell in love with potential, not peace. But here's the thing about divine alignment. God will always remove what distracts you from what He's designed for you.
It was so nice meeting you. Enjoy your concert.
Yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
Yes, yes.
This quiet season, it's sacred. It's the time where God refines you, heals you, and teaches you what peace feels like again. You're not lonely, love. You're being purified for partnership. Know this: God hides His best work in silence. And then one day, it'll click. You'll wake up and realize you're no longer craving what broke you. The ache you once carried, gone. That's not time. That's transformation, love. That's God saying, now you're ready. I need you to stop chasing what God is replacing. Oof, I'm going to say that again. Stop chasing what God's replacing. Let go of what isn't meant for you in your healed self, love. Because when it's time, the right love won't confuse you. It'll find you in your peace. I know it's hard, love, but in the quiet place, you're protected, you're fragile, and what you feel feels like isolation and loneliness is God protecting you. You're delicate, you're vulnerable, and He needs to protect you from harm, from ill intention, from self-sabotage. And in this incubation period, you are healing, you're growing, and you're being transformed to stand in everything amazing that your heart knows can exist in the love that's coming into your life, love. So I need you to just not hold on, but stand firm, love. Continue to allow yourself to have these quiet moments of clarity where you can hear God, where you can allow Him to continue to order your steps as He prepares you, as He positions you for what's coming into your life. So I need you to remember that you're not alone. I am here for you when you need me. And I celebrate the amazing things and amazing love that is coming into your life.